The difference between a successful people and others is not a lack of strength, not a lack of knowledge, but rather a lack in will. As the sun begins its ascent, marking the dawn of a new day, let's embark on our daily journey with determination and zeal. A heartwarming morning to all our estimated teachers and my spirited friends. I am Poonam alongside my vibrant group, elated to welcome you all to today's enlightening morning assembly. Prayer. This is a sacred moment, a time to express gratitude and seek blessings from Omnipotent, the architect of our universe. Let's come together in unity and prayer. Affirmation through pledge. Pledging is more than a ritual. It's a promise we make to ourselves and to our community. A commitment to uphold our duties, values, and principles. So, with the conviction and purpose, extend your right hand, stand tall, and let's commit to our pledge. Reminding ourselves of the ethos we uphold as a community. Inspirational thought of the day. Each day comes with its unique challenges and opportunities. An inspiring thought can be the catalyst that drives us to approach the day with enthusiasm and purpose. To initiate the flame of inspiration this morning, I would like to invite Naim to share the thought of the day. Staying updated with news. In a rapidly evolving world, staying informed is crucial. Not only does it reflect our commitment to being responsible citizens, but it also broadens our horizons. It is essential to understand the world beyond our textbooks. So, to bridge the gap between our classrooms and global happenings, I present Naim, who will bring us the latest news headlines. Sharpening our minds with GK questions. General knowledge isn't just about memorizing facts, it's about understanding the world and our place in it. It aids our critical thinking and shapes our perspective. To challenge our intellect and to remind us of vast world of knowledge out there, here is Naim with intriguing GK questions. Concluding the assembly. As the assembly draws to a close, let's carry forward the energy, knowledge, and inspiration gained during these precious moments. As we go about our day, let's remember to practice kindness, uphold our pledges, and strive for excellence in all that we do. Promising a richer experience and even more enlightening interactions, we look forward to coming together again. Until then, embrace learning, nurture your curiosity, and always strive to be the best version of yourself. Thank you for being a respective audience. Wishing you a day filled with knowledge, success, and countless positive moments. Stay spirited and have an enriching day ahead. This was all about today's video, but we have lot more topics covered of school assembly in other videos, so do check them. Also tell in comment section which topics you want to be covered in school assembly videos.